it's really weird to look at an old black and white photo of this property and then look at it today, and it has not changed a bit.
Hey everybody, Jaysen Barlow with Sell for 1%, the 2006, 2007 back-to-back buyer agent of the year, joined by my dad who taught me everything I know, Dave Barlow, and my younger brother who is rising faster than even I did in his business, Jaime Barlow. He is the man, and he's got the house of the week for you today. Jaime, take it away.
Thank you, Jay. I appreciate that. Hey everyone, we're going to be going over a house in Ohio State, on Ohio State campus. If you ever have taken a stroll through campus, you will see many, many magnificent older homes. The one we're looking at today, there's pictures of it from when it was built in 1909, picture from 1910. This is John Pontius' house, located at 247 East 18th Avenue, obviously named after John Pontius, who, after 1 year of college, joined the Army Air Force, where he served his country during World War II. He was a radio operator in the 60th Troop Carrier Group, 12th Air Force, where he flew the Rome Arno, North Apennines, I didn't say that right, Po Valley, Southern France, and Air Combat Balkans campaigns. In May 1963, John received his master's degree in business administration from Miami University, was a member of the Technical Association of Pulp and Paper Industry, the National Society of the Sons of the American Revolution, the Veterans of Foreign Wars of the United States, the American Legion, and was a member of the Psi Alpha Lambda fraternity at Eureka College, where he had earlier studied chemistry.
Guy.
The county auditor has historical PDF records of the transfers of the property prior to 1980. And on April 11th, 1920, John H. Pontius purchased the property. The land was valued at $1,720, building valued at $3,900. Total value for this tract of land was a whopping $5,620 in 1920.
Well, that was a crap load of money back then, though.
Sure.
What's
on October 3rd.
Today?
What would you say?
What is the equivalent today? About $800,000?
No, that can't be right.
We'll check it. We're realtors, not mathematicians, damn it.
Jay, get on that as I go through the rest of it. It was $5,620 in today's, from 1920 in today's value. Real Steel, in October 1995, the property was sold for $99,000.
That's
so. There are historical pictures of the property online, and it's really weird to look at an old black and white photo of this property and then look at it today, and it has not changed a bit. And it's kind of crazy. The architectural finesse exhibited by the Centennial structure is a testament to the craftsmanship prevalent in the early 20th century. Noteworthy elements include the intricate porch columns and the exquisite window trims, showcasing an era where attention to detail was paramount. Again, in the pictures before and after, nothing has changed, and you can see all this stuff. It's really cool. In the now picture, remnants of college nights are scattered about the front yard. So it looks very similar to a house we used to go to on 13th Avenue and beat up a car before Buckeye football games, but it's not the same house. I double checked.
Legally beat up a car.
Legally, of course. It was in the present.
Yes. Or dimensions.
Correct. Venturing within John Pontius' house, the interior unfolds as a time capsule, preserving the essence of the early 1900s. The lofty ceilings, original hardwood flooring, and meticulously crafted moldings, collectively transport us to a bygone era. The preservation is commendable considering its inhabitants for the past 40 years. But the high ceilings, wooden floors, and fancy moldings make you feel like you've traveled back to the 1900s. Preserving houses like John Pontius's house is very important for the community at large. The house serves as a tangible emblem of John's influence in the community, and preservation is not just about keeping old things around, it's about holding on to our history. Taking care of these houses helps us remember where we came from and helps future generations learn about the past. A tour through the homes on Ohio State campus is well worth the walk. If you found this historical journey intriguing, be sure to express your appreciation with a like, share, subscription, comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know if you have any houses you would like us to explore next week or in the future. So until our next expedition, remain inquisitive and continue your explorations. Feel free to give us a call at Sell for 1% for any of your real estate needs. Info should be on the screen here now. Thanks, guys.